So the first one I want to speak to you about is Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows you to monetize your community, and they can basically share a donation, which is every month, which is whatever you decide, and you have tiers. So you might say £1, £1 or $1, then it's £5 or $5, then it's £25, $25, and then it goes up in tiers. And then for each level, those people who have decided which one they want to, donate to you, they have different kind of content levels. Now, the thing with Patreon is they also take a fee, so that's a disadvantage. But what you also have to think about is that you have to create content that's specially for those. So the content that's on YouTube is not going to be enough, because the people who are going to be paying you money, they want to see content especially made for them. Read the terms and conditions, obviously, because they are going to take a fee from whatever someone donates to you. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for the longest time, and the fact is it's pretty easy to become an affiliate for many products, because there's a lot of companies now that have that facility. But what I want to share with you is, because at the moment people put links in their description of their gear or resources and that kind of thing. I want to share with you a completely different way that you can monetize your channel. So basically what usually happens is, if the people have been following you for a long period of time, you have in your vicinity or in your video certain things that you can add as an affiliate link to and put in the description below. You don't have to always tell people about what you're affiliated to, but they might just like what you have. For example, behind me I have a laptop screen. On this side I have curtains. Now, I don't know if someone is watching this thinking, oh, I like those curtains, or I like that computer screen. I could literally say, well, there'll be 5 things in my video, and these 5 things I'm going to put as an affiliate link in my description. That means that each video that you do could actually have a different affiliate link. So that means you are actually rotating, adding something different to your affiliate link description. That means it's not always a one-trick wonder, which means that if you always use the same links in your description all the time, like advertising, it can become blind to people, and they just don't want to know what you're sharing, or they've seen it so many times and they're just not interested. If you share different links in each of your videos, then more than likely people who especially are regular, who are loyal to you, will check your description, because they'll wonder what you affiliated from your video this time. Number 3 is ask for a donation. Now, you may not want to ask for a donation, but at the end of the day, if you want to help build up your income that you've lost from YouTube, or you just want to start monetizing your videos because you've never had the chance to before, then this is a great way to start. And because you are doing video, you don't actually need to say the words, I would like you to donate to my channel. You could put the words on your video and have the words in your descriptions. Now, the easiest way that I would say you set up a donation is to create a paypal.me. A paypal.me is basically a special link that only you will have, and then what you do is you'll put that in the description below, and then all the person has to do is copy that link, put it in the browser, and put whatever number that they want to put. For example, paypal.me and what special line that URL has, and then put 50. And I'm in the base in the UK, so that means that person has paid me £50 into my PayPal. When they put that link in the browser, what happens is they go to a special page on PayPal where they can put that money in. If they put 50 at the end of the link, it will automatically show £50, but they can change that if they want to. So paypal.me is a great way for you to monetize your channel, ask for a donation without asking for a donation, and they can literally give you what they want at that time. And another great opportunity by using that is it's not necessarily after, every month. If someone comes to your channel 5 times for the week and they really love what you're doing and they want to donate £2, they can donate to you £2 by PayPal, and you get it instantly because it's PayPal. So you're giving the people the opportunity to connect with you, to support you, without actually saying the words donate to my channel. Now we go on to number 4, is monetizing your channel from brands' products. Now, I know that this already happens and people do reviews and that kind of thing. What I want you to do is to be proactive. Stop waiting around for companies to look at your channel or find your channel and say, oh, I like this channel, I wonder if they'll promote this product. You go out, you know your audience, you know what videos you create, so you know what content would fit what product out there. So you go and find these companies or go and find these brands and reach out to them. We're in a time now where there is no way that you cannot reach a certain person in a certain company. You have Twitter, you have LinkedIn. You can find the information of who you need to put. It's more likely, I think, it's the product manager, or I think it's the product manager or merchandising manager. But you can find someone in a company that you can like send an email to and say, I have this channel and I would love to promote your product because I believe that my audience and your product would be a great fit. And then if they are interested in what you do, and if you give them the links in the email, they'll check out your channel, see if it's a great fit, and then can get in touch with you, and then you can start talking about the fine details, which would be fee, what part of the video you're going to share the product, that kind of thing. And it's time for you to be proactive, especially the time when you can't rely on YouTube, or have it as another income stream, or have it for you to start creating income on YouTube. Number 5 is to sell ad space on your video. As it's not going to happen, or it's not going to be fully targeted because of YouTube, especially if your video is very family or children appealing orientated, then you can very much do it yourself. Because if you do it yourself, you are not collecting any data. You are simply putting an ad in the beginning of your video, in the middle of your video, or at the end of the video. So you're not collecting any data, which is what the whole point of copper is all about. All you're doing is literally going to an advertiser saying, I have this audience, they would love your product, would you like to put a 5 or 10-second ad? Just how YouTube does it, except YouTube does it based on collecting data from the people who are watching the video. You don't need to do that. You know who your audience is and what they like or don't like. Number 6 is to sell t-shirts and promotional items with your logo and brand all over it. We're in a time now where we have print on demand, and there are many out there, and they help you literally put your design on a product, and then you mark up how much profit you want. So for example, they have a t-shirt and the t-shirt is $10.99. You've put your design on that t-shirt, and then you've marked it up to $15.99, which means they take the $10.99 and you take the £5 as profit. That means you have no outlay whatsoever, but you have made profit based on just putting your design on a product. And you don't even have to go for logos and branding. You could literally go for, I mean, if your thing is a color and your channel or your thing is always to have, I don't know, red, and you like this certain red, then why not have like a red square like Pantone? Every year they bring out another Pantone colour, and then they have products with just that colour on it. Let's see. Why not have something where it's just got a slash of that colour that you love and that your community know that you love, and then just have your name on it? There are so many ways that you can utilise the print-on-demand industry. And number 7, which is to create products and services that relate to and resonate with your audience on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel and you've had it for pretty much long enough, then you've had a good amount of videos, then you should be in a position where you can create products and services that your audience would love to buy from you, or services that they can use or have something on a regular basis. There's lots of options. What you can do is you can use your channel, you can use your video, you can use your content that you've already done and go and analyze the stuff that you've shared in the past and see which ones you can turn into a product, into a service, into a monthly subscription. There's lots of ways that you can monetize the content that you have already created, or create new products based on the content that you've already created, and thus bringing in and creating another income stream from your videos on your YouTube channel. So that is 7 ways that you can monetize your channel and still survive YouTube. I will put links in the description for the various things I spoke about. So there's no reason why you cannot take action, because the majority of those that I've shared with you are actually free to start. Take action, stay in control, and I hope to see you soon. So thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. So until next time.